Welcome to this special program from Time English Academy. Thank you for joining us. I am A.H. Anwar, Director of Time English Academy. Today we are going to talk about the topic of the education with our friend to Mr. Said Faizi. It's a very much important topic, namely the education, Siksha Taaleem. I would like to take your opinion. What do you think about the topic of the education? Kindly narrate to our audience so they can benefit by this, your valuable thoughts and opinion.
Okay, good morning to everybody. Firstly, I would like to give alert to Pedagogue that today I'm very apprecious person that I am facing to my sir. Before this starting, I would like to say that it's very golden chance for me that I am and come here in this coaching center. But he asked a very good question that what is the difference of education?
Yes,
yeah. But before the starting, I would like to introduce myself that who I am. So guys, I am dear Said Faizi and as well I'm a YouTuber, but not biggest, but I'm trying to the address on the endeavor because you know very well that hard work is the key to success. Anybody know?
Of course, it's a very single.
So, sir, education is very interesting. This time, everybody are running behind the education. Why? Because they know it's very important, and they know it's very critical, by which we can change our life. And you know, our Prophet Muhammad said that, "Finally, achieve the education." Every prophet said that, follow the good behavior, follow the good the way. So I think that some person that who person follow the colleges, it's opinion that who depend in the seat immorality.
Yes.
But I am against, because it's not like that. Because if your attitude and your opinion is good, I guess that you can achieve the good very well thing. So I think that education is very important for everybody. And today I would like to say that education is not that only he can achieve. No, I mean the education like same everybody, whether he belongs to the poor family or whether he's the richest family. Yeah. But today what is happening that, okay, tell me one thing, that time my grandfather and father was told me that that's what happening that if any poor person wants to go to for the education, so the richest person said that, why did you achieve? Why do you want to do the education? So he said that, Mister, I want to change my life. I want to change my family and country. So he said, don't go any school college because there is no point to. There is no point to go to any coaching. So he did the attention and he got some money. Don't go and play. But that thought was very bad. The Hindus family or the Hindus, the Sikh, alright, Sikh ulama, same thing. But only some person are adverse. They think they are not same. Their path are same. But we have to go. It's your opinion. It's your thought that how to go on that path. So I want to say that we should must because this time is modern era.
Yes, and everybody survive here without education, without good and quality education.
Yeah.
Also important the quality education.
All in all,
yes.
I would like to say that if you have no money,
yes,
don't worry.
Yes.
You can join coaching center, high school. But you have passion, you can learn everything. Yeah. But today, what is problem? A person said that, Mom, I have no money, so how can I go in school, college? But I suggest to you, don't think about the money, think about the education. Because
your passion, the depth of your passion, you have the depth of passion, you can achieve any kind of thing.
Of course, yes. But today
there are many examples.
But today, but today, what is happening in the society? Yes. Some teachers are very dignified.
Yes.
Only they open for earning money.
Yes. They
but
are very much.
Yeah. But I want to, but I want to give message, bro. Firstly, you should focus on that person who is have no money. And somebody said that only I have to impress the girl by the English and by the physical education.
I am remembering a quotation by William Shakespeare.
Yeah.
He said that nothing is good or bad, but thinking makes it so. It's mean that some people think that by the help of the English I can impress the girls.
Yeah.
It might be a thinking, not the problem of the
No, it's not like that.
Yes.
But it's upon to that person that what is thinking about the person. Yes. Sir, I like to say that education is very important.
Yes.
And
there is no substitute of the education.
Yeah.
According to me, there is no substitute of the education.
Yeah.
You cannot pass your proper life without the education. Our Holy Quran begin with the word of the Iqra. Iqra means padho.
Yeah.
Read.
Yeah.
If we read, then we can recognize to the God.
Yeah.
Then we can recognize the things. If I am reading this book, then I will also learn from that book, as well as I will learn the mind of the writer of this book,
Yeah.
as well as
Yeah.
what thought and opinion he had in their mind, wrote down on the books, and all the things we can get, all the experience of the life, valuable things by the life, by the getting of the education. I'm reading this book,
Yeah.
then I will also learn from that book, as well as I will learn the mind of the writer of this book,
Yeah.
as well as
Yeah.
what thought and opinion he had in their mind, wrote down on the books, and all the things we can get, all the experience of the life, valuable things by the life, by the getting of the education is only possible. And the main motto of the education must be being a good human. What kind of the being good human? Not with the very much gesture, palm and show. I'm wearing the good shirt, good pant, good shoes. It's not a good human being. We must be neat and clean with your heart.
Yeah, of course.
We must be loyal to your family. We have to know the art of passing our life, how to stand up, how to talk, how to behave, how to go, how to earn, how to pass our life according to our religious. We must know all the knowledge of our.
Okay, what person is
yes.
in mind that why some people ultimatum to the student?
Yes.
Suppose that he is very good person and he is speaker.
Yes.
But behind it there are many person stand against of him.
Yes.
And the ultimatum, why what reason?
Because
Ultimatum.
yes, he or she have the good knowledge, good particular knowledge, as like you have the good knowledge of the English language, but you don't have the art of passing of a life, art of communication.
Yeah.
You are treating a poor people with a hated eyes.
Yeah.
You are watching a people who is poor, who think that he's poor man.
Yeah.
It might be due to the mindset.
Mindset.
Due to the mindset, our mindset. If a person is coming from this door,
Yeah.
and he is wear a very dirty cloth, and a very then we realize that he's coming a very dirty people. He might be uneducated.
Yeah.
Before listening any word from his mouth, it's my mindset that the illiterate person don't have the good clothing. Due to the mindset, if you have to make our mind that after listening his words.
That's probably we listen to the mind because some person that the mind is disturbing like this.
Yes,
but
yes.
I don't address it because
Yes.
the mind is like a golden pot.
Yes.
It's upon to you that which types goodness we are
You are putting inside your dustbin either the kind of the bottle, which kind of the matter you are putting inside your bottle, a good thing either the bad thing.
So that is and there are how person did recognize his mind that what he's saying. Suppose that two person is sitting here, right?
Yes.
And one thing that he is a bad person.
Yes.
And his mind is bad. So how can he say? Has he changed his mind? Never. No, so how can he say?
It might be from the old experience. He came to know that he is a very bad guy.
That you can know about him that
The previous knowledge about a person to whom you know that he is a very unfamous boy or anyone, then we can recognize that he is not a good guy. I will listen a lot of the thing about the man. He is not doing the very good job. He is against the common people. So we can. Yes.
I'd like to say here that good person said that he cannot do anything in his life. I want to say that. So why can he not do?
We can do anything. We cannot.
So why does he only give up about him, about his life?
A person who is saying this, he discourages the people. He is not boosting the people.
Yeah.
He is misguiding the two. You cannot do it.
Yeah.
It's a very bad philosophy of the people.
So I think it is the ultimatum person.
Yes.
By the other who have no knowledge,
Yes.
right? And who doesn't know about the life and about the education, how to live in this world, how to talk with elder. So somebody said that he cannot.
Yes.
Because he had no money and he is father very labor person.
Yes,
He
yes.
has no the high level the education. But we forget that our first school are my mother and parents.
Yes.
Alright. So how can we say that he have no money and he have no and he cannot become and you know very well about don't forget one thing.
It's only depend on your mind setup. Mind setup.
Right.
Your mind, your mind is not fertile. Your mind is very much narrow for the common people.
Yeah.
Because you never think that anyone can do anything by their passion, by their enthusiasm, by their zeal. Yes, it's a very much important thing for the doing any kind of the work. So due to the mindset,